Alright, we're packing up here. Just outside Taylor, Texas at Corp Engineers Park. Not sure the name of it. I've been here, what, 4 nights? 3 nights? 3 nights. I've been here 3 nights. And then pack up here. Septic is full. Gray water's full. Everything's full. We haven't dumped in probably 5 days, 6 days, ever since we left that last site. So we're gonna pack up here and head up to Waco, Texas. Fireplace off. Floor's all swept. Ready to go. Doors are latch. Alright. Alright, one more final walk around. Door is wide open. Shut it. A little walk around. Jacks are all up. Bikes are on. Strapped on nicely. Slides are all in. Doors shut. Water pump's off. Awning's in. Alright. Let's go dump.
Anywhere you wanna go, I'll show you my world. Show you my world. Show you my world.
Here's what I found for Midway Park.
Really? What'd you find? Seriously? Midway Park. Midway Park.
Can y'all leave on the 18th?
Friday?
Sure, is it Friday? Yeah. Yes, please.
We're gonna be to the left. Thank you.
Okay, down here to the left?
Yes.
Alright, thanks.
Calling us to something more. What if we set out upon the waters, sail till we lose sight of shore? The light and the wilderness, we were made for all of this. You alone, my confidence, ready for it all. This is who we are. This is where it starts. The rush of the unknown, awakening these untamed,
Alright, off to see
reaching out beyond,
Magnolia Market at the silos.
knowing how we've come so far. The veil is getting thin, more than just a glimpse in time, speaking to the soul of every longing, calling into deeper light. The light and the wilderness, before it all.
Magnolia Market, was it what you thought it was?
Yes.
How was your Magnolia Market? Banana bread. Pumpkin bread. Good? Good. Waco Lake Hike and Bike Trail.
Waco hiking bike trail.
Yep. Let's see what we get ourselves into.
I did.
We even get to ride along the dam. These guys. Look at these guys. They can't even make it up a hill. They gotta push their bikes. It's not even really a hill. Oh, Emma's gonna ride it. Oh! No, she didn't. You okay? Check out this, we're riding across the dam. All right, hold on, I wanna get a view of the... Hang on to it, make sure I don't drop it. Oh, because if I dropped it down there, it would be all over with. Look at that. Cool. Stay down, don't climb up there. Oh, let's go see this view. See, oh, I can't really get a good view of it. See if I can get the straight down view of it. What does it look like? Oh, sure. Here, how about I stick my hand through here and get a view like that. Eh, I don't, it doesn't do justice. We're up a long ways. What'd you do to your bike?
I have no idea.
It's broken.
It
Yeah, the handlebars are no longer tight.
It's actually making me feel pretty unsafe.
Hey, Mama, I'll ride it.
It's barely hanging in there.
I'm gonna ride it back.
I'll ride it.
We're on 5 miles for the day and she broke her bike.
I will ride it. Can we go now?
It ain't gonna make it.
How tippy?
I'll have to ride it back, no hands.
Oh, that's not tippy.
Yeah, go all the way back down there. Well, as far as you can see. Long ways. Well, anyway, here's this view.
Can we go now? Mosquitoes are eating
Lake
me to death.
Waco.
And
That's a good female bike right there. Look at that seat. Here, check out this. Oh boy, I gotta ride this. Check out this seat. This is plush seat here. She gets on my seat. Mine's a fast bike seat.
this is so uncomfortable.
It is. It's. And this thing's like riding a frickin' recliner. Look at the. Check out the play on this thing. All right, we got all the slides in. Looks good. Slid in, cleaned up. Shut the water heater off. Shut the pump off. And we're good to go. All right, today is Friday. Don't know the date. We're leaving just south of Waco, Texas, and heading up to Dallas. And first we got to dump here. We've been here what for four nights, I think. So we'll dump here and make our journey up there. All right, we're dropping our camper off at a storage place so we can head home for the holidays. Head back north for the weekend, or for the week, 2 weeks. I found a nice place to store it, all indoors in Texas, just north of Dallas, Texas. Here, check out the motorhomes we're next to. It's bye-bye camper. Camper's in storage for 2 weeks.